everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I know it's been a long time since I've done an update video, and that's because I had to free up some space on the computer. But we have this new steam engine here that I got a while back. It's a 462 Pacific, Baltimore, Ohio, and also this Southern SW1. And then recently, I got these two SD45 Reading Beeline service engines. They were nice, and they have a 5-pole motor, so I have a 30-car train setup that goes all the way around and ends just right there. And this Jersey Central Lines boxcar is new, and so is this Lehigh Valley. And this train is all set up with railroads that have been around eastern Pennsylvania. So we have Conrail, Reading, Penn Central, Erie Lackawanna, Lehigh Valley, and Jersey Central lines. Then we have NS34 custom-built research engine with NS33. They look nice together. And then we have the intermodal yard with even more containers in it now. And then we have 6920, the Veterans engine, and a Rio Grande engine that's also new. Then we come to a new section of the layout that's never been shown before. We have a Dairy Queen. Then we have a mini golf course with an N-scale train running around it. Of course, keeping with the Norfolk Southern theme. Okay, you have hole 1, and it goes around. Then it comes back around, comes back down, and goes back up again. Then it comes back down. And this hole, where you do like a loop underneath. Then you have this hole, and then this is the final hole. Then you have a little go-kart track, a train station. Then we have a parking lot with a car show going on. And I don't know why this guy has crashed into the car. And then over here we have a new dealership. We have the road come down here. Then we have a oil place with a brand new Union Pacific engine. Whole bunch of engines over here. We have 8520, that's also new. Operation Lifesaver. And 403 over here with a Santa Fe F unit. And then we have an old track that used to go down that way, but now it's a road, so they cut it off. And we have power lines put in. And over here, we have an enclosed area with a working gate, so you can open and close it for both. And then up here we have the shelf full of train cars. Yeah, that's basically all that's new. Oh yeah, I also got new train controllers. This one has actual sound. And this one has momentum. So that means I give it full power, the train doesn't go. Give it a couple minutes, it starts going.